Hey guys, it's CJ here from Ocular CMS, and right now I'm going to show you how to create sales or discounts for products on your e-commerce website. Uh, let's say that we already have a products page and we already have a products table. It's already got products within it, and they all have set prices. Be sure to check out the other demo videos to see how I got it to this point. In order to add sale prices, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the database. So if you see a link in the menu that says switch to advanced mode, go ahead and click that to switch over to advanced mode. Otherwise, just click on manage site and then go to database. And since we are working with the products table, we're going to click on that and say edit. To keep things simple, I'm just going to show all my records so that you can visualize what I'm doing here. Basically, right now we have a price field. There's no separate field right now for a sale price. So that's what we're going to do first. We're going to edit the fields, and we're going to add a new field, and we'll just simply call it sale price. We're going to put this after the price field, and the type is going to be currency. And we'll say create new field, and now let's show those records again. And now you see the price field and sale price field. One more thing we need to do though is we need to make sure that the add to cart button recognizes that this is a sale price. So we're going to map it, and how we do that is we click on add to cart, and right here it says sale price field. We're going to find the field that contains the sale price. Pretty easy. I'm going to save those properties, and now what happens is when I show the fields like this, we can safely enter in values for prices. Let's say not everything is on sale, just this one. It was $12.49. Let's say it's going to be $11.99. We'll add that. So right now it's showing that as the sale price. Well, let me switch over to the actual website. I'm going to refresh the page, and you'll notice that the $12.49 is stricken out, and there's your sale price right there. And of course, if you add it to the cart, it's going to be the $11.99 price. So this automatically does this without you even needing to add the sale price field to your database view. As long as you've mapped in the add to cart, as long as you've mapped this sale price field, then it will be intelligent enough to figure out what to do. Now, let's say you have a lot of products and you want to put them all on sale. Well, a nice thing to do is to click on the property of that sale price column, and you have a couple of options here. You can either click on this, which will show the options for just bulk changing of the price. But what I'd better do first is I better add some values just so we can see everything changing. So let's change this. What was the value? $5. So let's make it $4.79. We'll make this one $8.99. These are obviously vastly different across the board. And now that I have values in here, what I can do is I can click on the sale price property. I can say create a sale, and this is really neat. What it's going to do is it's going to allow me to fill in the sentence here: create sale prices of blank % off of the regular price for these 4 records. So let's just say 10% off. I'm going to save. I'm going to show the records again. And you'll notice that right here we've got not really the original prices that I did, right? They've been overwritten to be 10% less than the regular price. So as long as there is a value here to begin with, it's going to overwrite that value, and it's going to put in this case, 10% off. So that's a really nice feature to have if you just want to do a bulk sale. Additionally, if I click on this, let's say now that I've got the sale prices there, I want to reduce it by even a little bit more. I'm going to reduce it by, let's say, 10%. And then let's view all the records again so we can see the results. And now you see it's been reduced. Those original prices were reduced by another 10%. So two things going on here. One is if we want to just do a bulk, sorry, not really a bulk, but if we want to change in mass the prices relative to the regular price, this is what we would do. We would enter in a percentage, and it will reduce it relative to the regular price. This option is slightly different. This is reducing it relative to what it already is for a sale price. So it will reduce this price by X%, whereas the other one reduces this price, well, rather this price by 10% and populates this column. So very similar, but in a nutshell, it allows you to do all at once, calculate price changes in bulk. Now you might be saying, well, what if I don't want to do sale prices for all of my products? What if I have 100 products in here and I only want the products in a particular category or under a certain price amount? Well, the changes that were made were only relevant to the records that are displayed here. So if you want to narrow it down, and let's say where the price is less than $10, I'm going to drill down my records, and now you see that there are only the 3 that are applicable. And if I do a price change, if I do a price change, it will only affect, let's say, this one. Notice how it says for these 3 records. So basically, these will only affect whatever records you display here. So that's how you apply a sale or a discount to only particular records. When you're done with the sale, all you have to do is just delete that value, and it'll go back to the regular price on the website. Alright, so that's how to configure sales, discounts, to change prices in bulk, and to narrow down your choice as to what products you want to change the price for. If you have any other questions regarding anything with e-commerce, be sure to check out videos related to those, and hope you've enjoyed this. Take care.